well. So we have the old one and then we have the new one. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be uninstalling my supercharger on the ZL1 and installing my Kong ported supercharger. So we're going to be doing that today. So hopefully it goes well. Might get yelled at a little bit, but we will see. Okay guys, so I am gonna start taking off all of the 10mm bolts on the supercharger lid and start up top, and then my dad's gonna start working underneath and drain all of the fluids. So let's get to work. Can't see. No? Was I supposed to? Guys, if I look sweaty, that is because it is going to be the hottest it is today in Arizona. I think it's going to be 115 and we have no air conditioning in this shop. I have a swamp cooler in front of me, but it's blowing warm air. And I'm already dying and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, so wish me luck. Oh, I missed a bolt. I missed a bolt. Oh, I missed all of the back bolts. Idiot. So we should be able to lift the supercharger off, guys. All right. That is hot. And a rag. God, it's hard to get off. And you guys, you know what is super cool is that I'm actually getting a whole new supercharger lid, a billet lid, and it's purple, so stay tuned to see that. So now we have the coolant draining underneath. You guys can see it's like empty almost. So now I'm gonna continue taking off some 10mm bolts on the supercharger. So let's go. It is hot, 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 hot.
So we're gonna take off the supercharger though.
Oh, these are some long bolts, guys. Look at that. Look at the size of that. I'm so stupid. Okay, so let's see. What am I taking off here? That's how it's done, folks. Okay guys, we just got the intake box out.
Hold it right there.
Here.
Like on Mega. Or just go like this unscrew. in a circle. Don't beat your car with it.
Okay, we are off. Okay. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take the oil catch can off. So let's do that. Catch can is officially out. Okay, so now that we have the intake out and everything, I'm gonna start uninstalling the throttle body. So let's do that. Let's see what I'm doing over here. So we got the throttle body off the car. This is the 87mm K-Tech and it is ported. So just so you guys know, this is for sale. So if you're interested, please send me a DM on Instagram.
Divot in it. Go.
Jesus. Take it off here.
Lower one. Okay.
Okay. All right. Dripping. We are getting super close. Just got the wiring harness off, just undoing some clips. And yeah. If you guys can't tell already, most of this project, my dad has kind of left me in the dust. I guess that's kind of his way of teaching me. He doesn't really teach. He kind of just tells me what to do, like really quickly, not really showing me, kind of shows me, and then runs off to go work on another car. Since it is Tuesday and it's a work day, he is working on customer cars. So he doesn't really have the time to help me. So he's kind of just telling me what to do really quickly, walking away and letting me kind of figure it out and do it by myself. So yeah, I think it's going pretty smoothly so far and it's really fun learning and being hands-on and stuff. All right guys, taking a little break while my dad works on another car because I don't really know what to do next to get the actual supercharger off, so I'm just waiting. And we're gonna do a little drink break. I think you're supposed to shake this, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna shake it. A little can opener ASMR. Oh yeah. One of my favorite drinks. Officially time to take off the supercharger. Obviously I can't lift it by myself because it's heavy as f, but we're gonna get that off finally, so. So we have finally taken off the supercharger, as you guys saw, and behind me are the superchargers next to each other so you guys can get a visual. So we have the old one and then we have the new one. So let me show you guys the difference because this port is insane and I am so excited, so let me show you. You guys can see we have both the superchargers next to each other, and let me show you the freaking port for the superchargers now. So obviously this is the stock one, and then this is the Stage X Kong port. This is insane, you guys. There's not even room for a gasket, as you can see, so we're gonna be using silicone, but that is literally insane. Now that we have the supercharger out, put all of the gaskets back in there, sensors and everything, and get it ready to go to. So let's start installing the sensors. So now I'm gonna do this one. Let's lube her up. And then goes in. Jesus. Goes in there, line it up, put the screw in. So now that I got those on, I am going to bolt this actuator on right here with the 2 bolts that are gonna go in here. I just stole my dad's ratchet while he's working. So if I get yelled at in this video, that's why. So now that every sensor and everything is on and the actuator, I'm going to start. I flipped the supercharger over, I had someone help me, and then I'm going to put the gaskets in. So. It is time to officially install the new ported supercharger onto the ZL1. So that is it for today's video. We're gonna finish up installing the supercharger tomorrow. But yeah, that was the whole uninstall of everything, and it went pretty smoothly. I am super excited for tomorrow to get the supercharger installed and all of the rest of the parts. And that's it.